So we are right now in Bachar, which is a small village in which my NGO, Manjari Foundation, operates. Bachar is located just outside of Udaipur, which is in the state of Rajasthan in India. It's a very rural area. There's mostly farming that's going on. There are some small entrepreneurs that have their stands, which is a very common way here to make a living. Manjari Foundation is an NGO. It works on women's rights and it also works closely with agriculture. What I'm working on right now is a project with farmers here in Bachar. We give hands-on training so they can understand how to be more efficient with their practices, but also how to be more sustainable in the future. The impact of this is that it helps rural farmers and also women farmers increase their income and have better standards of living. I wanted to escape the culture of Europe and just see a completely different side of the world and how people live. I'm 20, I'm still kind of trying to discover what there is on this planet, and I think that going to a country where there's 1.4 billion people is important, at least for me. I want to see how they live, I want to understand their culture. We eat with the farmers, we exchange, we just speak about where they come from, where I come from. We have some tea together, which is also very, very nice. It's a time that is very important here in India to have some chai with everyone and just share it. One of my favorite moments, actually. Here in India, from what I've seen, people are usually satisfied with what they have. They are self-sufficient in the sense that the farmers produce enough for themselves and their kids to eat, and they're more than happy to live their life that way, which is extremely different from Europe, where you're always chasing something a little bit bigger, a little bit better than what you already have. And that already is something that taught me a lot, I think. I chose the GIP because for me it was really important to also have a humanitarian experience. It has opened my eyes to a lot of different ways. For sure it helped me, one, be more social and go out and take initiatives, but also, you know, just work with people that have a completely different culture, completely different ideas of the world. If you're thinking about doing the GIP, you should probably do it. Take time to reflect on what you want, which NGO you would like to integrate, and what sector you would like to work on, but don't be afraid to go ahead and do it. It's an experience that I've lived and I'm really happy to have lived it. I'm sure that you'll be proud to have taken the courage to do it. That is something that is for sure.